If you can hang a picture, you can hang your vertical blinds in no time. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Grab these simple tools and let's get started. All vertical blinds have the same basic parts: the valance, vanes, track, and hardware. Today, I'm installing an inside mount vertical blind. Depending on the blinds you ordered, the pieces or parts you have may be a little different, but that's okay. You'll follow basically the same steps I'll go through here to hang them. Just be sure to check the instructions that came with your product before you begin. The first step is to install the valance. On the underside of the valance, make a mark between 1 and 2 inches from each end. Hold the valance inside the top of the window and set it back until the front is flush with the wall. Pre-drill through your marks and into the window frame. Then insert 2 screws to keep it in place. Now that the valance is ready, the next step is to attach the brackets underneath, with the release tab facing the window. On the back edge of the valance, measure 2 to 4 inches from each end and make a mark. From these marks, measure 1 inch toward you and make another mark. Pre-drill holes at each of these second marks, then line up a bracket and insert 1 screw per bracket. Next, place the front of the track into the front groove of the bracket. Then tilt the back up until it clips into the back of the bracket. Now, you'll need to attach the vanes. Push the hole-punched end of the vane into the plastic clip. Gently tug it down so that it sets into the hook properly. Repeat the process for all your vanes, making sure they all face the same direction. That's it! Now just test the blind to make sure it tilts and slides properly. Whenever you slide the vanes open and closed, make sure they're tilted in the open position. This reduces wear and tear and helps prevent breakage. If you need to remove your blinds, start removing the vanes by pushing them up and then pulling them out sideways. Then press the release tabs on the brackets to remove the headrail. We hope you enjoy your beautiful new vertical blinds from Select Blinds. If you have any questions or need any additional help, please see your product's installation guide on our website or just give us a call. We're here to help.